Wow, look at all these surprises. I have to go and find George. You see, George, I told you there were surprises. I can't wait to see what's inside. Spiderman chocolate surprise egg. The flyer. And a Spiderman toy. It's a charm. A Num Num surprise from Series 2. Here's the collector's guide. Lots and lots to collect. And this is Twinsy Puffs. Oh, she smells so yummy. And, oh, this is Nana Cream Gloss Up. That's a lip gloss. Aw, very cute. And this is an Animal Jam, and it's a Adopt-A-Pet from National Geographic. It comes in this cute little house, and you open it. And inside you have the toy. And the collector's guide. And all the different animals you can adopt. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Aww. And it looks like we got this cute little fox here. Look how pretty that is. Little sparkles. And we have an accessory. All right, I'm gonna look up who this is. Okay, so I looked at the guide, and this is actually, if you can see it here, it's actually a wolf, an Arctic wolf. How cool is that? And it came with this little crown. This is really, really nice. I like these. And there's 96 to collect. Oh my goodness. And it came with this little orange piece. That's like a little stand. And he'll actually stand up on that with his little tiny legs. If I can balance him. There we go. Oh, that's really, really cute. And here's a Littlest Pet Shop Fashions from Series 3. And this one is called Ollie Arms. It's so bright and pink and really, really squishy. And very round. Very cute. Kinder Surprise Egg. Just look at that yummy chocolate. Makes me hungry. Whew. Oh, what do we have in here? This looks super cool. Looks like some jewelry. Yes, it's a beautiful bracelet that you have to build and put together. That is so cool. All right, I'm going to put it together for us. So here it is all put together, and I did it in a pattern, pink, purple, white. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. That is so, so, so pretty. Very cool. And here is a jungle in my pocket jungle pet carrier surprise. And here's the carrier. Oh, that's a tough one. There we go. And inside you get 2 pets and the collector's guide. So here we have, this is Apollo, and he is a crocodile. And he's actually really fuzzy. Aw, he's actually really cool. I like that. And this is a zebra. Let's see if I can find his name on here. Where is he on there? Oh, he's Zacco. And he's one of the rare jungle pets. That's so cool. I guess he's rare because he's a white zebra. They're usually black and white, right? He's almost all white with gray. Oh, that is so cool. We got a rare one. I love it. Okay, that's it for surprises today. As always, thanks for watching Cam's Toy Box. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.